talk to my supervisor about it and find out the best place for me to send that information. Do you have something that you've already put together?
Yes.
You wanted to show me there, or is that something you're going to take time to put together?
No. I already have everything. It will be like a short message. I'll just send it to you, and if you could forward to the right person, would be excellent. And just to recapture it, it's basically right now I'm again taking the video. I can put that video too in that message, so you could show to your supervisor or to other people what it's all about. So the suggestion is you guys providing excellent service to many businesses. Now here you can add another service helping them to reduce their online advertising expense, including your own. And the way it works, we will take links of these small businesses and put them on users' pages, and hopefully we will have many when the project takes off with this. We have many examples already, and as I said, even I'll send you a link for the science fair gallery. Only in Florida there's 200,000 students participating in science fairs. Imagine, right now nobody cares about their work. We tell kids, hey, be creative, be efficient with your project, and then what efficiency of our use of the information. It's close to the efficiency of the light bulb, which is only 7%. So I'll send you the links, and you will see with examples where I'll take your links and add them to to these projects. Like I teach physics and math, and my students, when they post their work online, they can add your links too, and it could be completely free. You don't have to pay us nothing. We just do it because we support people who support education. You give to education all the time, we want to give back. But of course it will help you also to combine charity budget and advertising budget if you want to support something like that. But that's a different story. Okay, that's the whole thing. I'll just send you examples and maybe include this very video.
That would be great.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And by the way, people will come and they will rate honesty and open-mindedness. If I were rating you open-mindedness, it would have been top what we have 5. Okay, so it's amazing. It was really, nice talking to you, and hopefully you understood most of what I said right behind my Russian accent.
Well, I want to take a more in-depth look at what you're going to send me anyway, but yeah, I like what you're doing there. I think it's a great idea.
All right, thank you. I do appreciate that.